In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TikTok pixel code. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your TikTok pixel tracking snippet inside Ads Manager so you can copy it confidently and move on with your implementation. First, open your preferred web browser and search for TikTok Ads Manager. This helps you get to the correct portal quickly, especially if you don't have the exact URL handy. Look for the official TikTok domain in the results so you avoid third-party pages or outdated links. Next, click the correct link to TikTok Ads Manager. You should land on a trusted, secure page. If your browser shows a lock icon and the address includes the official TikTok domain, you're in the right place. Now, log into your account. Use the business account that has access to your advertising assets. If you manage multiple ad accounts or have different workspaces, take a second after logging in to confirm you're in the intended account. You can usually verify this in the top navigation or account switcher. Once you're in, click Tools in the top navigation bar. Tools is where TikTok groups helpful utilities for advertisers, and it's the quickest path to your tracking resources. From there, click Events Manager. This is the hub for your pixels and web events. If you're prompted to choose a workspace or account, select the one that owns the website you're tracking. Inside Events Manager, look under the Data Sources or Web Events tab and click the name of the pixel you want to access. If you see multiple pixels, choose the one connected to the site or funnel you're working on. If nothing appears, your account may not have a pixel set up yet, and you'll want to address that before continuing. Once you're on the Pixel Details page, click the Settings tab. This tab sits alongside sections like Overview or Diagnostics, and is where TikTok keeps configuration options related to your pixel. Finally, scroll down to the TikTok Pixel section and click View Instructions. This expands a panel that reveals the tracking snippet. You'll see a block of code you can copy. Make sure you grab the entire snippet from start to finish. Copying it fully prevents installation issues later. If you're planning to share it with a teammate or developer, paste it into a secure document and avoid exposing it publicly. The snippet you just copied is what you'll place on your website, typically in the global header, or hand off to your implementation team or tag manager specialist. That's it. You've successfully found your TikTok pixel code inside Ads Manager, ready to copy and use whenever you need it.